Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Back in the early 1970s, American cars weren't just built, they were crafted to dominate the road. Bigger, bolder, and more luxurious than ever before. And leading that movement was one car that truly stood above the rest. The 1972 Cadillac Eldorado. A machine that wasn't just about getting from point A to point B, it was about arriving in style, comfort, and absolute authority. Today, we're going deep into everything that makes this classic Cadillac a true legend. Exterior design, deep dive. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where the Eldorado makes its first unforgettable impression. The moment you see it, you realize this isn't just a car, it's a land yacht. Stretching over 225 inches in length, the Eldorado has an enormous road presence that's impossible to ignore. At the front, you're greeted by Cadillac's signature bold grille, wide, detailed, and finished in chrome. The hidden headlamps add a sleek, almost mysterious touch, giving the front end a clean and futuristic look for its time. The hood is long, very long, and slightly sculpted, hinting at the massive engine underneath. As you move along the sides, you'll notice the sharp body lines and the iconic character crease running the length of the car. Chrome trim surrounds the windows, highlights the wheel arches, and adds that unmistakable luxury feel. Now let's talk about the rear. Those vertical taillights are classic Cadillac DNA. Wide stance, clean design, and a presence that looks just as good leaving as it does arriving. And if you're lucky enough to see the convertible version, that's where things get even more special. Top down, this car becomes the ultimate luxury cruiser of its era. Simply put, the Eldorado doesn't try to impress, it just does. Interior and luxury experience, expanded. Now step inside, and everything changes. This is where Cadillac truly shines. The interior of the 1972 Eldorado feels more like a luxury lounge than a car. You're surrounded by soft leather, plush seating, and thick carpeting that makes every ride feel premium. The seats are wide, deeply cushioned, and designed for comfort over long distances. You don't just sit in an Eldorado, you sink into it. The dashboard is elegantly laid out, with wood grain accents that give it a warm, upscale feel. Controls are simple, clean, and easy to reach. And for 1972, this car was loaded with features. Power windows. Power seats. Automatic climate control. Cruise control. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. AM/FM radio with optional 8-track player. Yes, an 8-track player, the peak of in-car entertainment back then. There's also an incredible amount of space. Both front and rear passengers get plenty of legroom, making this a perfect car for long road trips. Everything inside is designed with one goal in mind: maximum comfort. Performance and engineering, detailed. Now let's lift the hood and talk about what powers this giant. Underneath lies one of the most legendary engines ever built, a massive 8.2-liter V8, also known as the 500 cubic inch engine. This engine produces around 235 horsepower, but numbers don't tell the full story here. What really matters is torque, and this car has plenty of it. The Eldorado delivers effortless acceleration. You barely press the pedal, and the car just glides forward with power. It's paired with a smooth automatic transmission that shifts almost invisibly, keeping the ride calm and relaxed. And here's something unique: the Eldorado is front-wheel drive. That's right. At a time when most American cars were rear-wheel drive, Cadillac went in a different direction. This setup improves traction and allows for a flatter interior floor, which adds to passenger comfort. The suspension is tuned for softness, absorbing bumps and imperfections like they're not even there. This isn't about speed or racing, it's about smooth, quiet, effortless cruising. Driving experience, real feel. Driving the 1972 Eldorado is a completely different experience compared to modern cars. The first thing you notice is how smooth everything feels. The ride is soft, almost like floating over the road. The steering is light, very light, making it easy to handle despite its massive size. But because of that size, you do need to be careful in tight spaces or parking areas. On the highway, this car truly comes alive. It's stable, comfortable, and incredibly relaxing to drive. You can cruise for hours without feeling tired, and that's exactly what this car was built for. It's not about quick turns or aggressive driving. It's about enjoying the journey. Conclusion. The 1972 Cadillac Eldorado represents a golden era of American automotive history, a time when luxury meant size, comfort, and presence. It's bold. It's powerful. And it's unapologetically American. From its massive V8 engine to its ultra-luxurious interior and unmistakable design, the Eldorado remains one of the most iconic Cadillacs ever produced. Today, it's not just a car, it's a collector's dream. A rolling piece of history that reminds us how cars used to be built. If you ever get the chance to drive or own one, don't think twice. Because cars like this, they simply don't exist anymore. Outro, call to action. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1972 Cadillac Eldorado, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more classic car content. And tell me in the comments, would you drive this luxury beast today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.